everyday dreams go beyond.
Project Control Manager. Building construction work. Location Abu Dhabi. Candidate requirements: bachelor's degree in engineering, civil or related field. 10 to 15 years of experience in construction project controls, including engineering, procurement, and planning functions. Strong background in civil construction projects. Proven experience in cost control, scheduling, change management, and progress reporting. Proficiency in project management, software tools, e.g., Primavera P6, MS Project, ERP systems. Lead and manage the project controls function, covering cost management, planning, scheduling, progress measurement, and change management. Develop, maintain, and update project schedules using recognized planning software, e.g., Primavera P6, MS Project. Monitor project performance against baseline plans and provide variance analysis, forecasting, and progress updates. Establish and manage cost control systems, ensuring accurate monitoring of commitments, expenditures, forecast to complete, and cost trends. Prepare and present periodic project reports, dashboards, earned value analysis, and KPIs for internal stakeholders and client reviews. Work closely with engineering, procurement, and construction teams to track progress, identify delays, cost impacts, and required corrective actions. Review and validate contractor, subcontractor progress submissions, claims, and invoices. Support change management process, including evaluation of change requests, cost, time impacts, and maintaining updated logs. Coordinate and participate in internal and external project review meetings.
Selected candidates will be provided with the monthly salary package details. No agency involved in our recruitment within UAE.
Interested candidates, please send your CV only to anisha.jayan@alrawabit.com or alarjobsua2025@gmail.com. Please mention the position you are applying for in the subject line.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.